Welcome, this is Rajiv Daji from XRX. Today, 7th of March 2013. We will start with Forex market. Euro is trading at the level of 1.3020. Yesterday, we have seen a resistance level of 1.3070-75, which was expected, and it holds the resistance level. And on lower side, it tested the lower level of 1.2960-65 as a support level. Still, it is in a range of 1.3075 and 1.3060-65 support. It's 110 pips move. Right now, it's trading at the level of 1.3020. Again, on higher side, till the time it is below the level of 1.3070. Any rise to the level of 1.3035, 1.3045 will be the selling range into the market. Where on lower side, if sustained trading is seen below 1.2960, expected target is 1.2920. And I'm expecting that evening some data are there which are expected to come to positive into the market, where euro will be the selling pressure and may come down. Great Britain pound has given a very sharp move of 50 cents right now from the level of 1.5000 to 1.5055, and it tested the high of 1.5068. I'm expecting it at the resistance level of 1.5090, 1.5085 to be retested. On that side, if then one can go for a short into the market in the range of 1.5070 to 1.5090. Expected stop loss is at the level of 1.5015 to 1.5115 to 1.5125 levels. And on lower side, one should keep booking profit at the level of 1.5010, 1.4960 levels, and only a sustained trading below 1.4960. I'm expecting 1.4920 to 1.4880 levels on lower side. I'm expecting selling pressure to continue from the higher levels because the stochastics are turning negative and moving averages are also turning negative. So daily chart, I'm expecting a further downtrend to continue. Coming to Australian dollar has a very good reversal sign. Yesterday, market was down after testing the higher level of 1.0300, which was expected resistance level. Today, I'm expecting till the time support of 1.0250 is holding. Bounce can be continued to the level of 1.0300 as the first resistance, and then may test the level of 1.0370. And only closing below the level of 1.0220, 1.0210 market, one should exit from the long position and can re-enter into the short position for the target of 1.0180 to 1.0170 levels on lower side. So either side, it is on an uptrend move till the time the support of 1.0210, 1.0220 is holding. So that's for forex market. Coming to gold, gold is trading at the level of 1582. I'm expecting range to continue till the time it is holding a level of the higher resistance. It is failing to cross the level of 1588, 1587. To be precise, on a closing basis of 1590, market is expected to give a good reversal into the market with the target of 1615 to 1620 on higher side immediately, and further trading about 1620-25, a further uptrend can be continued. But till the time it's holding 1570 on closing basis, I am actually positive for the bullion market, where gold may retest the level of 1710 to 1705 on higher side in near to medium term. Coming to silver, silver is trading at the level of 28.96 and expected in a range to continue, where on higher side it's not crossing the level of 29.1, 29.15 on closing basis, but it's forming a diamond pattern formation. If this resistance is crossed at the level of 1.29, 29.10, expected target first will be 29.65, which is the bottom over here. 29.65 to 29.75 will be the range. It has to be tested on the resistance level over here, and then sustained trading about that level. I'm expecting $31 to $32 on the higher side. On lower side, only a closing basis 28.3. I'm expecting downtrend to continue, but till the time it's holding 28.3 on closing basis, I am actually bullish into the market, where uptrend is very good intact into the market. Coming to oil, oil which has given a one day positive upside move, and after a gap up opening it has trend into the negative trend. Today I'm expecting oil to be in a range where on lower side I'm expecting a support of 110, on the higher side resistance at 111.5. So it has to be trading in this range, and either side crossover will confirm the trend. But I feel market has to be in a downtrend, where one risk can be taken at the stop loss of 111.8 a $1 stop loss from here. Any level can be short from in the range of 110.8 to 111.2. One can expect a target of 109.5 as the first target, and 108.8 to 109 will be the second target. That's from my side. Have a nice trading session. Thank you.